Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another recipe. It's a very crispy, crunchy chicken wings recipe. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. So here I took some chicken wings and now I'm adding 5 tablespoons of milk in it. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. Just mixing it and making sure it's all nicely set. Cover it and leave it for 1 hour. Now things I need to marinate my chicken are salt, chili flakes, red chili powder, black pepper powder, garlic powder, and whole spice powder. After 1 hour, I'm taking my chicken wings out of the milk. To marinate the chicken, I'm adding salt first, then red chili powder, then add chili flakes, black pepper powder, garlic powder, and last whole spice powder going in, and mix everything very nicely so all the spices are nicely on the chicken wings, and then cover it and leave aside for 2 to 3 hours. 3 hours are done, so now I'm taking the chicken wings and I'm going to stuff it in the plain flour just like this. Make sure you press it very nicely. And after that, tap tap tap, just remove all the excess. Just tapping it very nicely like this, and there you go. This is how it looks like, and I will do the same for all the wings. This is how they look like after the first coating of plain flour. Now I'm going to dip them in cold water just like this, and doing the same for all the wings. Time for the next coating. Now again dipping it in the plain flour and pressing again just like this. Make sure you press very nicely. That is how the crunchy crispiness is gonna come to your wings. And there we go, they are ready to fry now. This is how they look like after all the coatings and stuffing. So let's fry. Here I took oil and I preheated it, so I'm adding my chicken wings in now. Make sure you keep the flame from low to medium. Do not make it too high so the chicken can be nicely cooked from the inside as well. And you can change the sides after 3 to 4 minutes. And once it's golden brown, you're done. This is how they look like, the final look. And I'm taking it out in a plate to serve. Our crispy crunchy chicken wings are ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another amazing recipe. Take care. Bye bye.